Imagine stepping into a world where your meals fuel not just your body, but also ignite a powerful internal process that shreds unwanted fat and boosts your energy. Now envision this happening without the constant battle against hunger that accompanies most diets. This is not a fantasy scenario, but a reality achievable with the ketogenic diet, a scientifically backed approach that focuses on high-fat, low-carbohydrate eating. Tailored specifically for beginners, the custom keto diet unlocks your body's maximum fat-burning potential, turning you into a fat-burning machine. Embarking on a diet can feel like setting sail in uncharted waters, exciting yet daunting. However, with the custom keto diet, you are equipped with a map that guides you directly to your health and wellness treasure. This essay unveils 10 essential principles to maximize your fat-burning process through a personalized keto diet, assembling a blueprint that not only promises results, but also ensures a delightful journey towards a healthier, more vibrant you. Understanding ketosis. The science behind fat burning. Ketosis, a state where your body uses fat instead of carbohydrates for fuel, serves as the cornerstone of the ketogenic diet. By drastically reducing carb intake and replacing it with fat, your body is forced into this metabolic state, efficiently burning fat for energy. This shift not only aids in rapid weight loss, but also provides a steady flow of energy, reducing the peaks and valleys in blood sugar that many experience with more conventional high-carb diets. Achieving ketosis comes from a precise balance of macronutrients. For beginners, understanding this balance is crucial and starts with knowing what to eat and what to avoid, setting the stage for effective fat burning and overall health improvement. Calculating your macros, a personalized approach. No one-size-fits-all approach exists in the keto diet. What works for one might not work for another. This is why calculating your macronutrient requirement is a fundamental step. Macros or macronutrients include fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. Initially, you might find it helpful to use a macro calculator, which can provide an estimation based on your age, weight, height, and activity level. Typically, a balance of about 70% fats, 25% protein, and 5% carbohydrates is recommended. Tailoring these figures to fit with your personal health goals, such as weight loss or improved athletic performance, will make the diet much more effective and sustainable. The importance of quality fats in a keto diet cannot be overstated. Focus on high-quality fats, the heart of a keto diet, which promote better health outcomes and enhance your body's fat-burning capacity. Sources like avocados, coconut oil, grass-fed butter, and olive oil not only support ketosis, but also contribute to your overall nutrition. Integrating a variety of fats ensures you receive a balanced intake of monounsaturated, polyunsaturated, and saturated fats, crucial for maintaining good heart health and optimal body function. Educating yourself about these fat sources is vital, as they differ significantly in their effects on the body. For instance, the omega-3 fatty acids in fish oil can help reduce inflammation and support brain health, which are essential aspects of maintaining a healthy lifestyle on keto. Embarking on the keto journey is filled with excitement, but it's not devoid of challenges. Understanding common pitfalls and how to avoid them can significantly increase your chances of success. One major challenge is the temptation to indulge in high-carb foods. Planning your meals, stocking up on keto-friendly snacks, and learning to listen to your body's true hunger signals can all help you stay on track. Another common issue is not consuming a diverse range of foods, which can lead to nutrient deficiencies. A well-rounded diet, inclusive of a wide variety of vegetables, proteins, and fats, ensures you get all necessary nutrients while enjoying the benefits of ketosis. By understanding these principles and integrating them into your custom keto diet, you set a solid foundation for a transformative journey. Not only will you see visible changes in your body composition, but you'll also experience profound shifts in your energy levels and overall well-being. Armed with the right knowledge and tools, embarking on the keto diet is not just about losing weight. It's about gaining a new, vibrant outlook on life. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and click the link below to get started.